Mr. Beat here, and it's a beautiful spring day, so I thought it'd be another good day to bring out the sign to try to raise awareness about uncapping the house. Behind me is a bridge over the busiest street in Lawrence. My goal will be to get 10 people to honk their horns to show that they agree that we should uncap the house. Can we get 10 people to honk their horns at me? I gotta make sure I don't let go of it. Can they read it? Yeah! We got one! Did you hear that? Yeah! There's two! Come on. Oh, does that count? I think they kind of hit the horn a little bit. I don't know. I'm afraid I'm going to drop this thing. There's four. Did they honk? Maybe if I wave it. Yeah! Maybe this won't take as long as I thought it would. Yeah! 6. Yeah! There's 7. Oh. There we go, there's 8. Waving works, I think. There we go, 9. Yeah? There. Yeah? I got 10. We got 10. Mission accomplished.